Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. In this video, I am going to show you a powerful tool called SwifDoo PDF. With this software, you can edit and translate PDFs, convert them into Word or Excel, merge or split files, compress large PDFs, and even add digital signatures. It's fast, lightweight, and a great alternative to expensive PDF software. So if you work with PDF documents and want a smarter way to manage them, keep watching because this tool can save you a lot of time. First, open the official SwifDoo PDF website. I will provide the link in the video description. From there, click on free download and download this software to your PC or laptop. After installing SwifDoo PDF, open the software. You will see an interface like this. First, click the Start button, then open any PDF file. Now let me give you one more pro tip. First, right-click on the SwifDoo PDF icon in the taskbar and click Pin to Taskbar. Then right-click on any PDF file, select Open With, click Choose Another App and select SwifDoo PDF. After this, all your PDF files will automatically open in SwifDoo PDF. Now let's talk about some amazing features of SwifDoo PDF such as PDF to Word, PDF to Excel and PDF to PPT. But the best feature is translate any PDF into any language. From the top menu bar, we can convert this PDF file into a Word document. Just click on Convert to Word. In the same way, you can also use other powerful tools like PDF to Excel, Image to PDF, Office to PDF, and many more helpful features available in this software. Now let's talk about how to translate a PDF file into any language. First, open any PDF file, then go to the menu bar, click on View and select the Translate icon. Here you will see many different languages available. Using this feature, you can easily translate any PDF file into the language you want. Now let's talk about one of the most amazing features, SwifDoo AI. With this feature, you can easily analyze any PDF document, and by using prompts, you can perform many other tasks with the help of AI. And yes, here I will tell you about another excellent feature. Here at the top, there is a button called Read. By clicking on it, you can listen to any PDF, which means you can convert it into text-to-speech. You can also click on Share from the menu bar to easily send or save your documents to email or online cloud storage. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.